Hello Mzansi, it's your gossip girl. Izingane Zesthembu season 2 is back and the show started with episode 1 where Mpumelelo and Vuyokas were fighting because of Mpumelelo wants to pay lobola to a virgin. So Mzansi, it was a back and forth, it was not a nice thing. Vuyokas is ignoring Mpumelelo's phone calls and Mpumelelo is just like, man, na get lo rapela. He was given those type of vibes. He did not even say it. Like it was like, I'm not gonna nginga you. So to a point where Vuyokas was like, you know what, I'm requesting a family meeting from my home, from my family being the Ngwenis and the Mselekus, so that your family can just explain to me, Hore, what's going on, what is it that I hear that when you want to pay lobola for a virgin. Remember that Mpumelelo said this on Uthando Zesthembu season 7, you know. So I guess they were also recording for Izingane Zesthembu as well. Enough about Sthembu sa Mpumelelo. So Mpilo, being the child of stepdaughter to Umakhumalo, took out Snare for a foot massage. So then I was wondering, I was like, okay, this is awkward. I've never seen these two gel together. So yeah. During the foot massage, Mpilo was asking for advice from Snare, saying that how do I go about changing from my mother's surname to the Mselegus. So maybe that is the main reason why Mpilo took Snare out for a foot massage, because Snare was like, Wena, take me out, me and you chill together in one space. What's the story? You are full of yourself. I don't think or me and you we can be in one space. So that's what happened. And then lastly, Makhumalo went out on an ice cream date with Lwandle, being Mamkulu's firstborn child. Because of, Musam Seleku has this tradition thing, calling thing with his sons, where he handed out his powers or whatever, yeah, those traditions in Tontoni that they have going on there. So Makumala wanted to know, Ore, how does Lwandle feel about taking care of her household, because you know that Makumala does not have her own child. So he wants to know if Lwandle will continue and take care of Umakumala's family. So Lwandle, now I really don't understand Lwandle. It's like he's here, but he's not here. And I'm Zanzi. Till I see you again, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any videos, you guys do not miss anything. Bye bye.